Now, let us move on to the ER verbs. Do you remember the conjugation for the ER verb? To conjugate a verb that ends with ER, we would remove the letters E and R and add endings as E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT and ENT. Do you remember this? We had also conjugated some of the verbs that end in ER. So shall we see some more verbs? For example, let us take the verb danser. It means to dance. So can we try to conjugate it? For je, what would be the conjugation for je? Yes, we would remove E and R and place E. D-A-N-S-E. Dance. Je danse. It means I dance. Next, for tu, what would be the conjugation for tu? We would remove ER and replace it with ES. D-A-N-S-E-S. Tu danses. It means you dance. Next, for il, what would be the conjugation for il? We would remove ER and place E. Similarly, for L also, we will remove ER and replace it with E. Next, for nu, how would we conjugate danser for nu? We would remove ER and replace it with yes, ONS. It means we dance. Nous dansons. What would be the conjugation for vous? We would remove ER and replace it with EZ. Vous dansez. It means you dance. Next, for il, what would be the conjugation for il? We would remove ER and replace it with ENT. Ils dansent. It means they dance. Similarly, for L also, we would replace ER with ENT. Elles dansent. It means they dance. So shall we say it once again? Je danse. It means I dance. Tu danses. It means you dance. Il danse. It means he dances. Elle danse. It means she dances. Nous dansons means we dance. Vous dansez. It means you dance, but it is in the plural form. Ils dansent. It means they dance. Elles dansent. It also means they dance. So, how did we conjugate this? We removed ER from the ER verb and replaced it with E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT and ENT. Shall we see one more verb? Let us take the example of the verb arriver. It means to arrive. Arriver. For je, we would remove ER and replace it with E. But as you see here, we have a vowel clash again. So do you remember what we would do in such a situation? Yes, we would remove the E and replace it with an apostrophe. J'arrive. For tu, we would remove ER and replace it with ES. For ill, we would remove ER and replace it with E. For L, we would remove ER and replace it with E. For nu, what is the ending? Yes, ONS. So, we would remove ER and place ONS. For vous, what is the ending for vous? Yes, it is EZ. So, vous arrivez. For ill, yes, we would remove ER and replace it with ENT. For L also, it is similar to ill. So, this is the conjugation for the verb arriver. It means to arrive. Arriver. So, j'arrive. It means I arrive. Tu arrives. It means you arrive. Il arrive. He arrives. Elle arrive. She arrives. Nous arrivons. We arrive. Vous arrivez. It also means you arrive, but it is in the plural form. Ils arrivent. It means they arrive. Elles arrivent. It also means they arrive. So, are you thorough with the conjugation for the ER verb? Shall we see some more verbs? Since the ER verb is the most common word, that is, most of the verbs end with ER and the conjugation is the same. So, you need to be thorough with the conjugation of the ER verbs. So, let us take the verb rester. As the name suggests, it is to rest. So, for je, what would we do? We would remove ER. We would remove ER and replace it with E. Je reste. For tu, we would remove ER and replace it with ES. For ill, see, since we practiced, it is coming easily for us. Il reste. For L, it would be elle reste. E, ES, E, E. For nous, we would remove ER and replace it with ONS. Nous restons. Nous restons. For vous, we would remove ER and replace it with EZ. Vous restez. For ill, it is ENT. So, ils restent. For L, it is also similar to ill. Elles restent. So, what did we do to conjugate this ER verb, rester, which means to rest? So, what did we do? We removed ER and replaced it with the endings E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. So, je reste. It means I rest. Tu restes. It means you rest. Il reste. It means he rests. Elle reste. It means she rests. Nous restons. It means we rest. Nous restons. Vous restez means you rest. Ils restent. It means they rest. El restant also means they rest. So, I hope you are thorough with the ER verbs. It is a very important conjugation because many of the verbs are ER verbs. So, these are the verbs that we use in our daily life. So, keep practicing and you need to be thorough with this conjugation.